Looking for the perfect pressure cooker to speed up your cooking game? In this video, we're diving deep into the best pressure cookers of 2024. From budget-friendly options to high-end models, we've got you covered. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Tower 6L Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker T80244. Sometimes simplicity is key, and that's exactly what our top pressure cooker delivers. Its straightforward design doesn't compromise its performance, providing excellent results whether you're steaming vegetables or cooking a hearty stew. With 2 pressure levels, you can easily adjust the cooker for different types of food. Despite its generous 6-liter capacity, the pressure cooker is easy to handle thanks to its extra lug handle. Cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe main body, and the removable attachments are quick to hand wash. Overall, it's a top performer that excels in both functionality and convenience. Number 2. Kuhn Rikon Duromatic Hotel Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. This pressure cooker's compact design and rapid depressurization make it a standout appliance. Its comfortable, easy-to-grip handles and tight-sealing lid provide peace of mind, while the clear pressure indicator keeps you informed, eliminating worries about buildup. Unlike many models we've tested, this cooker's lid locks and unlocks effortlessly. It's compatible with all hob types, and our dishes came out well-cooked and juicy, with the lamb stew being especially tender. One thing to note is that the short handles can get quite hot, so it's best to use oven gloves when handling. Although it's an investment model, it promises reliable performance and should serve you well for many meals to come. Number 3. Tefal Clipso Minut Easy Pressure Cooker. If you're new to pressure cooking, this machine lives up to its name with its ease of use. Our testers found that the lid locks into place effortlessly, sealing in moisture and delivering perfectly steamed vegetables and tasty soups. It's compatible with all hob types. The compact lug handles are a nice touch, making it easy to store in your kitchen cupboard when not in use. The only drawback is the manufacturer's advice to avoid cooking milk-based dishes, but this may not be a concern for everyone. Number 4. Prestige Smart Plus Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. This pressure cooker impressively cooked broccoli to perfection in just 2 minutes, keeping its flavor and texture intact. The included steaming basket was particularly appreciated for its efficiency. It reached the required pressure quickly, and the clear indicator made it easy to know when cooking could begin. However, the lid proved somewhat fiddly to fit and remove, and while the handles were comfortable, they occasionally leaked under pressure. It's not dishwasher safe, but it does come with a small brush for easier cleaning. Number 5. Lakeland 5.5-liter Pressure Cooker. Lakeland's pressure cooker is a dependable choice for quickly preparing soups and stews, perfect for colder months. The lid is easy to open and close, and the cooker is versatile enough to use on all hob types and in the oven with the included glass lid, which turns it into a casserole dish. While it lacks additional accessories and isn't dishwasher safe, it performs its primary function exceptionally well, earning it high marks from us. So, which pressure cooker reigns supreme? After careful consideration, we've crowned the Kuhn Rikon Duromatic Hotel Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker as the ultimate winner. Its durability, versatility, and safety features make it a standout choice. But remember, the best pressure cooker is the one that fits your needs and budget. Let us know in the comments which one you've chosen.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.